How to create PayPal account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application PayPal. It will land you on this homepage. Tap on sign up. So over here, what you want to do is to enter the email address and then click on next. Enter your personal phone number for the confirmation. Tap on next. You will receive one verification code on your number. You need to copy that code and then paste it here. Create a new password for your PayPal account. Once you have created, tap on next. Now enter your first name, middle name and your last name. Also enter your date of birth. And then click on next. Enter your specific residential address. Tap on this checkbox and then click on agree and create account. Well, now you can enter your card number, or you can just skip for now. And there you go, your PayPal account has been created successfully. Now you can use this application anytime you want to, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial for you on how to create your PayPal account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.